Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, launch of India's K-15 SLBM from Arihant class submarine. An alleged image of India's K-15 Sagarika submarine launched ballistic missile, also known as B-05, going through a sequential launch from an Arihant class nuclear submarine has recently gone viral. The image reportedly depicts the missile being launched at 10-second intervals, stirring excitement and speculation among defense enthusiasts and analysis. Next, development of snow tent. Hyderabad-based Anatech Engineers Private Limited has made significant strides under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative with the development of snow tent. This innovative tent is designed to provide essential warmth to India's armed forces operating in sub-zero conditions, particularly in high altitude regions. Snow tent boasts a robust 3-in-1 kerosene heating system, ensuring a steady supply of heat even in the harshest weather. Additionally, its solar-powered electricity feature provides a sustainable and eco-friendly source of energy for lighting and other essential functions. Next, unveiling Project 200. On the opening day of the Bengaluru Space Expo 2024, Bellatrix Aerospace made a groundbreaking announcement with the unveiling of Project 200. This innovative satellite is designed to operate at an ultra-low Earth orbit ranging from 180 km to 250 km. Project 200 is more than just a satellite. It's a tech demonstration mission aimed at qualifying a novel, unconventional propulsion system. This system is specifically designed to function effectively at the challenging altitudes of ULEO. The success of this mission could revolutionize the satellite industry, offering significant advantage to satellite owners and operators. Next, Wolfhound C-146A spotted in Indian airspace. A rare sight recently graced Indian airspace. A C-146A Wolfhound belonging to the US Air Force. The aircraft, originating from Delhi, was observed en route to an undisclosed destination within India. The C-146A Wolfhound is a versatile tactical aircraft designed to provide flexible and responsive operational movement for small teams and cargo in support of U.S. Special Operations Command. Its primary mission involves airlift missions to prepared and semi-prepared airfields worldwide. Next, setting up MRO for Rafale and Mirage fighters. In a significant development, French aircraft maker Dassault Aviation is to set up a new maintenance, repair and overhaul, that is MRO facility in Noida to provide support to the French origin fighter jets in the Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force operates around 50 Mirage 2000 aircraft inducted in 1980s and 36 Rafale fighter aircraft inducted in the last few years. Next, S. Jaishankar meets Bangladesh Foreign Affairs Advisor in New York. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held a bilateral meeting with Bangladesh Foreign Affairs Advisor Tauheed Hossain on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in New York on Tuesday, marking the first high-level engagement between India and Bangladesh's interim government led by Muhammad Yunus after Sheikh Hasina's ouster as Prime Minister last month. Thank you.